Hello, you guys. Welcome to the weekend vlog.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove.
Alright guys, let's go start our Friday night evening. Let's go eat some dinner. We're gonna go look at some shops first. Let's go. As you can tell, I'm home, watching telly. I've had a bath, had a really nice dinner, so it was yummy. I'm gonna, pretty much just been relaxing, watching some TV. Better Homes and Gardens is on, because it's Friday night, and Better Homes and Gardens is on Friday night. Yes, I feel old by watching Better Homes and Gardens, but you know what, can't complain. And they also have it on Saturday nights now too as well. It usually used to only be Friday nights, but now it's Saturday nights too, so the win. I know, I feel old watching that show, but I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna relax for the rest of the night and then see where our weekend takes us, guys. I do have to edit my Tuesday vlog still. I don't know if I'll do that tonight or probably over the weekend, so I can get it up and posted. So yeah, but that will be already posted before this goes up, so yeah. But anyways, let's go chill for the night, guys. happy Saturday. I've just had a chilled out morning this morning. I had a nice sleep in, which is really good. Journaled, ate breakfast, been watching some YouTube. Yeah, that's pretty much been my slow morning. I don't know what I'm going to do today, to be honest. It's still quite miserable outside, so, but I want to try and get out about, do something, because why not try something, do something, even though it's miserable. Yeah, but yeah, I still got to edit my Tuesday vlog, so I might do that. I might get dressed and edit my video before venturing out, because but yeah, just gonna take it easy on these cold, miserable days, guys. So yes, let's go edit this video, get it uploaded, and just see where the day takes us in the end, guys. Let's go. guys, I've had this Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory for a little bit. It's when they actually brought this range out. I think last year maybe it was, and I didn't really want to get the whole like bigger candles because some of the scents, I'll show you, I like this. I've got one burning, and some of them are like hit and miss for me, but these were like perfect sizing as well. So, and just in case if like, yeah, perfect size to burn. But yeah, I'm finally gonna just use them, perfect timing. So, and I'll show you like the actual, the names on the back. So these are the names of all of them. So, but yeah, I don't think I actually, can't remember if I actually paid this much for it though, because I'm a member with Dusk, so I think I got a bit cheaper. So, but yeah, finally getting use out of these because it's cool enough to use these. So, yeah, pretty cool. So guys, you can tell, dinner showered, and I'm going to be relaxing for the night, watching some TV. And I'm going to also enjoy reading some of my book as well because I want to try and get through it. And I've been on a roll with reading lately, so, but yeah. Ooh, sorry, side distraction. But yeah. Yeah. Anyway, got sidetracked by the little snippet of Vivid Sydney. So I'm actually going to that in a few weeks. I'm going on the June 13th, which is like the last night of Vivid, I'm pretty sure. And so I am going to, that will be one vlog. And then I'm going to have a Sydney weekend vlog. And then like, yeah, I'm just going to, yeah, so that I'll have like a weekend vlog going down to Sydney. And then a Vivid vlog. So a Vivid vlog will be so much, yeah, a lot different. So yeah, 2 separate vlogs will be happening that weekend. So yeah, I was going to, originally my plan was go down to Sydney next weekend for Vivid, stay the night. But then I asked Mum to come with me. She come with me, and then we booked it in for, yeah, June 13th, which is, yeah. And not next weekend, the weekend after is a long weekend. Because we've got, yeah, the King's birthday, which is in June. So got that coming up soon, which I'm excited about. So I'm going to be vlogging all that weekend. Because I got a few things on that weekend. So I've got the Matildas game on the Saturday night. I've got a baby shower on the Sunday. And then, yeah, just going to do some fun few things that weekend. Fun trips planned. Yeah, just fun things happening. So I'm going to obviously have a few vlogs coming along over the weekends, next few weekends. So, but obviously this weekend is just more of a relaxed vibe weekend because it's miserable weather. But anyway, let's let's get into relaxing for the night, guys. Well, good morning. Happy Sunday. I've got my under eye mask on. I put these one I got on. I actually put in the fridge, and I'd like left them in there for like a lot. I actually put them in yesterday, and then like left them in because I was like gonna put it in the fridge for a bit and then put them on, but then I forgot and they was like left in there overnight. So I put them on, and they were actually really nice and cold like when I'd put them on, so they're really nice. So morning, it's Sunday. Well, it was sunny outside, so I was like, I'm gonna like wash the shades and put them on the line, but I think putting them on the line is just like going to not go to plan today, so they might go in the dryer. So anyways, I've got my Duna cover on washing at the moment, so that's the first thing is going on, and then depending if when they're done, if the sun comes back out again, I may put them in line, but if not, they're going in the dryer because you know what, I just don't have honest patience for the weather, because the weather has been so unpredictable. It's been like raining, like overcast, raining, to then overcast, to then raining again, to then sun's out, then back to overcast and raining. It's just like so unpredictable this week. So if it's not going to be coming out sunny by the time they dry, they need to go out online. They just go to the dryer. So, but anyway, I fell asleep so early last night for a Saturday. Yeah, I think I was like asleep by 9 o'clock, and that's usually just not like me at all on a Sunday night. I must be like partying too hard during the week. No, I'm kidding. It just must have like taken it out of me over like this week. So, but then yeah, so I fell asleep by 9. I think I woke up at like 8:10 this morning. So, but yeah, but anyway, can't complain really. It was nice. So, but anyway, I'm gonna take it easy today. It's gonna be nice. Because I really need to do that washing, because I accidentally missed washing my sheets last week. I was like, it's missable. I'm not gonna wash them. So I went like, obviously 2 weeks since I've washed them, so they're getting washed. So I know. But anyway, let's go have some breakfast and just chill out, because I want to get some more reading in today. I'm not even like halfway through my book, so I'm on chapter 10. There's 25 chapters, so I still got like a bit to read. So I want to get more reading done today, and just smash it out, smash another Colleen Hoover book out, and then I can start on like another one of my new Colleen Hoover books that I've started, that I got. Plus there is some other books I bought like years ago that I want to read that I just haven't got around to reading. So anyway, let's get the vibes going for this Sunday, guys. Oh, I'm like falling apart already. Anyway, let's get vibing, guys, for a Sunday. Alright guys, I have the first lot of washing on the line, which is my doona cover and pillowcases. And I do have my sheets on to wash at the moment. So they're washing, but it does make me wonder how long it will be before I have to actually go grab them off the line before it starts to rain. So hopefully I get to have them on the line for a bit. Well, at least until this one is done. So that I can at least get some fresh air through like my doona cover and pillows cases. So, but yeah. So that is, yeah. At least they're in wash rotation, so can't really complain about that one. So yeah. But anyway, I am literally that like type of person that doesn't like to put stuff in the dryer, because like, yeah, I like to make it so like they're smelling nice and fresh. Yeah, but putting it in the dryer takes away the nice fresh smell I find. You always get like the drier smell. But anyway, anyways, I'm gonna chill out before, in the meantime, gonna hopefully read some more of my book that's in here. I love this, love this. It's amazing. It's great, perfect sizing for your books. So if you're a book lover and you take your books everywhere, this is perfect. So yeah, gonna chill out in the meantime till my sheets are washed, and then yeah, put them on the line. Hopefully if it's not raining by then. Yeah, gonna chill out with the dog. It's gonna be me and the doggo. So yeah, let's chill.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Alright guys, shower done and dusted. I'm just gonna chill out for the night. I'm gonna probably eat an ice cream, watch some YouTube in the process, read a little bit more, and yeah, just chill out before heading to bed. Now, let's watch some YouTube while eating an ice cream.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. It's been a nice, relaxing weekend. Listening to the rain, just chilling. Friday night dinner, always a vibe. Reading, just, yeah, taking it easy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe guys. Catch us next video. Bye.